Today's video will increase your productivity by 10 times and save your time. I'm going to tell you about keyboard shortcut. Number 1 is Windows plus E. Pressing Window key plus E will open your My Computer quickly and you can access your files, drives. You just need to press Window key plus E. Number 2 is Windows plus D. It happens a lot when you are working, suddenly someone arrives and you don't want to show your work. So with this shortcut you can minimize all your multiple windows and only show your desktop. Number 3 is Windows plus up and down arrow. Basically it's an extension that minimize or maximize your windows. Windows plus down arrow minimize your window and Windows plus up arrow maximize your window, like this. It's a simple, you don't need a mouse, only use Windows plus up and down and your window will be minimized. Number 4 is Windows plus left right arrow. It split your window if you want to multitask and use two windows on your desktop. It saves a lot of your time and get resized and aligned automatically and hence increase productivity. Number 5, Ctrl plus Shift plus N. If you want a folder without using mouse and also save your time, then press Ctrl Shift plus N. Number 6 is Windows plus Shift plus S. It's my most favorite. Generally, we use a snipping tool for rectangular or freeform screenshots. But for quick advanced screenshots, we use their shortcut keys like Windows Shift plus S. You get control over its shape, rectangular, freedom. So Windows plus Shift plus S is equal to better screenshot. Number 7 is Windows plus V. It's a very useful when you use Ctrl plus C for copy. You can get a clipboard history, meaning you can access and paste your 4 to 5 hour old text as well. To choose your text and paste it, and it's useful for the ones who copy paste a lot. There is all your history you used before 2 to 3 hours. Number 8 is Windows plus L. Press if you are working and immediately you want to lock your PC. You can even switch to other account on your PC with a simple Windows plus L. I'm sure you found this shortcut interesting.